Okay, it has been 10 minutes. My face is tight now. There's still like a few little, they're not necessarily wet, but they're just like very, very slightly damp. But I am going to go ahead and wash this off because my face is so tight. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and wash this off. So this is my face all clean. It does have like a natural glow to it. I haven't put any moisturizer or anything on it. This is just me right after taking that, right after removing that clay off my face. Now there will be like a white cast left behind, so you will have to follow up with another type of cleanser, a gentle cleanser, just to make sure that you get all of that clay off your face, or maybe a toner of your choice. So I did follow up with like a gentle cleanser just to make sure I got all of that clay off of my face. I did notice that in the process of me washing, I was able to extract a few more pimples that was, in this chin area. I don't know what's going on in my chin area, because that's really the only area that I've been breaking out in. But I like it, and it says to do it once a week. So yeah, I'll definitely give it a try. I may do it with water next time versus the apple cider vinegar. That stuff is just way too strong as far as like the fumes from the apple cider vinegar. Maybe I used too much, which I know I did. And I also used way too much clay because I had more than enough left over. So unless you plan on applying this mask to other parts of your body, you don't need a whole lot. I would say just do a tablespoon and then just gradually add your liquid, until you get it to the right consistency. Because I definitely had quite a bit of that product left over, because you only need a thin layer. So anything more than that, you're going to be over applying it, and you don't want to over dry or, your face and everything. So I'll definitely be trying it again.